Welcome to the Team Management Dashboard. This will display a list of all the representatives you have linked to your HeyAuto account. This is where you can add new members, manage permissions, contact information, view and edit profiles, and even set individual status to away or on vacation. When you sign your team up, you are given the option to set the amount of control they will have over the dealership's HeyAuto account. Admins will have full control to edit and add anything within your dealer portal. We recommend setting most team members to standard permissions, whereas the admin will then be able to grant them specific permissions they require within the dealer portal. Standard permissions will never be able to edit your integrations or settings. This area is the Profiles section. Here you will be able to view your employee and team members' individual profiles, reviews, and how many connections they have made. This section allows you to invite new members to be a part of your team. They will receive an email that notifies them you want to add them to your dealer portal. You can choose to cancel or decline the request, as well as resend the email to them. Members can also request to be a part of your team but will not be granted access till you choose to either approve or decline them. Team members must accept and create a profile in order to access their area of the HeyAuto platform.